Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is SATAKASHIKUMARI and it will mean a lot to me if you spare a moment and subscribe to my channel. So in this video, as you can see, I have created this look, or rather say recreated my own look. So I can actually name this as a simple dewy and glowy look. मुझे इसको पहन के I'm not able to speak also. Just a second. हाँ. So I can name this look as a dewy and glowy makeup look. I have just worn this nut because I recreated my look. So थोड़ा सा वो glimpse होना चाहिए ना कि हाँ भाई आपको भी लगे कि I have actually recreated that look only. So if you don't wear this nut, कहाँ गया? हाँ, if you don't wear this nut, तो आप कोई भी function में भी आप you can recreate this look. It's really very simple. And yes, अगर आप नथ पहनते हो तो किसी संगीत में आप पहन सकते हो, रिसेप्शन उतना नहीं, साड़ी अगर हाँ ये आप रिक्रिएट कर सकते हो रिसेप्शन में भी, जस्ट द वे यू वांट, wherever you want to recreate this for any function you can. So yes, I just love this look, so that's why I was very excited to recreate this look क्योंकि ये मेरा भी फेवरेट लुक था. So एंगल का, जगह का थोड़ा तो डिफरेंस रहेगा ना क्योंकि प्लेस भी चेंज है. मैं किस तरीके से उसको क्रिएट की थी वो भी मुझे याद नहीं था. सो मैं कैसे कैसे रिक्रिएट की हूँ. एंड लिपस्टिक आई डोंट नो वेयर वाज दैट लिपस्टिक, वो कौन सा शेड था आई डू नॉट रिमेम्बर. तो कितने सारे लिपस्टिक्स का शेड्स आई हैव मैच्ड, कितने लगाई हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. आप देखो कितने सारे मैं चेंजेस की हूँ लिपस्टिक के, तब जाके मुझे ये मिला. वो भी वो वाला लिपस्टिक नहीं है, ये क्रीम लिपस्टिक है. एंड जो मैंने लास्ट टाइम लगाया था इस लुक को जब मैंने रिक्रिएट किया था, दैट टाइम आई हैड वॉर्न लिक्विड लिपस्टिक. तो बहुत मुश्किल, ये भी मुझे बहुत मुश्किल से मिल रहा था, मिल ही नहीं रहा था. एंड उस समय दैट टाइम माई हेयर कट वॉज डिफरेंट, दिस टाइम हेयर कट इज डिफरेंट. सो हेयर कट का भी डिफरेंस पड़ा है. एंड दैट टाइम आई वॉज अ बिट थिनर देन वॉट आई एम नाउ. सो बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस आपको दिखेंगे. बट देन मैं अभी के फोटोज और जितने भी मैं क्लिक कर पाऊंगी क्योंकि नेचुरल लाइट जा रहा है बहुत जल्दी. सो आई एम स्पीकिंग सो फास्ट इज बिकॉज नेचुरल लाइट इज गोइंग एंड आई शूट इन नेचुरल लाइट एंड दैट्स वाई I'm talking so fast. So yes, if you like this look, then all you have to do is keep watching this video.
Baby, don't just like me to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy.
I was up and about, ready to go out, but then I thought, man, what's the point? There are roads filled blind, tears are running fast, still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes, and I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town, memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache, lying deep underground. You must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray, make it count. I've lived through what I have lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged, light is cold and love is tragic.
She's the it girl, the one to know. Out of your dreams, she makes it known. She's A-list, but no one knows what I know. She'll chew you up and spit you out. She'll take your soul without a doubt. She'll break your heart, 'cause no one knows what I know. I know what she has to hide.
bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything be such a meaning. Every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down, mountain, still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming.
Away, yeah, yeah. Away, yeah, yeah. Away, yeah, yeah. Baby, don't. Just like me, to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change.
I was up and about, ready to go out. But then I thought, man, what's the point? There are roads filled blind, tears are running fast. Still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes. And I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down and shadows fill the
She's the it girl, the one to know. Out of your dreams, she makes it known. She's A-list, but no one knows what I know, what I know. The it girl, the one to know. Out of your dreams, she makes it known. She's A-list, but no one knows what I know, what I know. She'll chew you up and spit you out. She'll take your soul without a doubt. She'll break your heart, 'cause no one knows what I know.